Hi everyone, I am back with another haul video. This is from Ali Edwards, and I'm just gonna jump right into showing you all the goodies that I got. So I got a few things, mostly travel themed things, but I did get a couple items that I wanted for my December daily album. So first are these index tabs. Ali uses them a ton on her pages, and I definitely wanted to have them for my December daily album. But I will probably be using these in all of my albums. I think it's just a fun little addition. And then these are the 6x8 transparency sheets. I believe these are from this year's launch. Yeah, they are. I was debating getting them, and then I thought about it, and I like to buy things that I like at least 2/3 or 75% of the product so that I know I'll use it. And I think the one I didn't love was this house one, which I feel like a lot of people are really excited about. I'm not obsessed with it, but I think that the red plaid is really pretty. I love the wreath. My favorite one is for sure the stars. And I think that the grid would be fun. It's kind of hard to see, but it's got a grid on it. And then the other thing I got thinking for my December daily were these page protectors. So I thought, I was rushing, obviously, not paying attention, because I'm sure it was clearly labeled. I thought it was a 6x8 2x2 pocket page, but it's clearly not. It's 9x12, and these are like probably 3x3, maybe even 4x4. What is it? So it's probably 3x3. But anyways, I'm going to have to see about returning these because I don't do 9x12 at all. So I don't have any use for these. But yeah, so there's that. Definitely pay attention to what you're doing. And then I think all the other things, oh, this is kind of for my December daily, but it's sort of generic, but it's the 3x8 pocket page set. It's like the variety pack. So it has the full 3x8, two 3x4s, a 3x2, and a, what is that? 3x6. And then the same thing, but just flipped, which is kind of interesting because isn't that pretty much the same thing? You could just flip it. Anyways, so I got that. I thought it'd be a fun addition to my December daily album, but also any of my albums. So any of my 6-inch albums or 8-inch albums. But yeah, anyways, nonetheless, got these. I'm very excited about them. And then I think that the rest of the stuff I got is travel. This is a day in the life sticker sheet. A lot of things I got were on sale and just random, but I guess this is not travel. But it's just a day in the life. I don't know what package it was from, but it just is generic stuff that I thought I'd be able to use easily. And then this is another, I guess, generic thing. It was also just on sale. But it's a set of, oh, they're very pale, craft tags. I thought it would be a little darker, but I guess that's kind of interesting. So they have just different patterns on them. I think this was like $1. And I like tags, so I thought I'd grab it. The other things are definitely travel though. So this is another set of word phrase stickers. I have been doing a lot of traveling, if you weren't familiar or weren't aware, and I definitely want some fun ways to document it. These are fun because they're just really big words. Like in comparison to this is what I'm more used to for word phrase stickers, but you can see these are jumbo. I also really like the colors of them. I think it's fun. They're definitely like really cute colors, but they're a little bit different. Like they're not typical, you know, it's kind of a peachy, foresty green, and then like an oceany blue. So that's fun. Definitely gonna love using those. Then I got the road trip. I'm pretty sure it's all road trip is the album. I'm not 100% sure though. Road trip travel, whatever the recent travel album or collection was. So this is a chipboard set, which is a lot of tags and then just some different things. I don't know. I just think they're really cute. And then I got this, which I'm super excited about. So these are all just wood veneer painted white phrases. So take me to the trees, search for the simple, hold on to the stars, all good things are wild and free, and collect beautiful moments. So those are really fun. I think those will be good additions to travel albums. And then the last thing I got is the mini kit, I think. So it comes in this cute craft envelope. And I actually also bought the travel virtual class, and I've been watching that and I've been loving it. And one of the contributors used this to, actually maybe two people use this to create an album in and of itself. So this comes with another chipboard set with just more like, you know, just more travel-y things. These little pocket card things, and you can like pull it out, and you could even like, instead of having this little card in here, use this card somewhere else and put a photo in here. So I just think it's cute. But the little tent here, there, a little map, and then let's go. More wood veneer. These are huge, but I think it'd be a good statement. My boyfriend and I actually stayed in a little Airstream like this for our anniversary. And a tent and a jumbo camera. And then this is a patch, like an actual, oh, it's just actually not a patch. It is a patch, but it's like got a sticky back to it. But it says on the road again with a little bus. So I think I'll use this for a road trip. My mom has a little motorhome that we travel around in. So maybe I'll use it for a trip like that. And then this just has, I think that they're vellum stars. Two different sizes. Yeah, they're vellum, and they have a gold foil edge on them, but they're really pretty and also would be really good in December daily. So fun. And then the last thing are these little paper bunting phrases. So keep driving, documented, let's get lost, observations, and then some of them are blank with just like an icon on them. So yeah, that is everything. I'm super excited to get documenting my travel. I tend to take tons of pictures when I travel and find it a little bit debilitating at times to like get into it. But having new product is definitely inspiring and gets me excited to jump in. So obviously I'll have a lot of December daily content coming up, and I've already posted some of it, but I'm also going to be doing travel stuff. So look forward to that. It's all the things. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.